presentation is about updates on RGD strain. RGD is the authority of race trends and race trend symbols and identifiers. And there are several ways that you can register your strain to RGD. So the first one is the data tab on the drop-down menu. It's in the submission data page, and you can find a strain registration link. And the second place is in the phenotypes and model portals, and the link is under link and resources. From there, you can also submit your strain. And also on every strain page, we have a strain registration link on the top corner. So we provide many places so that you can register your strain. And all these links bring you to the submission form. And here I would like to mention several important components. One is the strain symbol, the background strain, the ILA code, and gene and allele information. And here I would like to point out that ILA code is very important, since it is the information to tell user that where the strain is created. And if you have any comments or question about RGD, please click on the small blue icon. And here you will see the thumb up icon. You can either give us a thumb up or send us a message. And we will only require your email to respond to your request. So once you register your strain, you will be able to search them from several places. The first one is from the RGD general search. And this one searches all RGD data. And the second one is the strain search. This one only search strain data. And the third one is the Find Rate Models tool. And this tool is a recent development. So as Jennifer just showed you that the general search give you a data table. And here you under red and strain, you see there are 6 red strains match the search term ADORA2 2A genes. And this is exactly what you will get if you put the same gene to strain search. You will get a list of the red strain that associated with this gene. And later I will talk about the result of Find Rate models. So what are the RGD ID used? It is used as a component of RRID. RRID stands for Research Resource Identifier. And for example, if you are using the lion hypertension, the AEK strain, the RRID is shown in the RRID portal here, and it's exactly the same as RGD ID, just with an underscore in the ID. And if you are using RRC ID, currently it's still using RGD ID as the ID, but in the future it will change to RRC ID. And so these registered strains are annotated with disease and phenotype annotation. And in this chart, you can see that the congenic is most annotated, and there are about 50% of congenic are annotated with disease or phenotype. And over the past 10 years, we have been seeing a steady increase in the registration of mutant strain in contrast to other strain type. And we are expecting that the annotation of mutant strain will be increasing since there are more publications coming up. So all these strains annotated with disease or phenotype are integrated to our disease portals. For example, in the obesity and metabolic syndrome portal, you will find a table of race strain models. And For example, here you can find strain associated with obesity and the strain associated with metabolic syndrome. And you can also go to the phenotype and model portal. And in this tool, find model by disease or phenotype. You will be able to search strains that are curated with phenotype or disease annotation from literature. And in this tool, you can either put in a gene or disease or a strain symbol, and then you will give you all the strain associated with the disease or phenotype of the keyword you put in. And finally, we would like to thank the researcher who submit their data and also the user who visit us at the RGD website and use our data. So if you have any comment, please send us a message. We will respond to you as soon as possible. Thank you.